Welcome back, everybody, to another weekly update video here at Smallenbarger Auto. Let's see what we're getting into. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Taping off for some paint in the engine bay of the AMC Rebel we're working on. It's going big bad blue. Alright, got this 67 Rebel in here in the booth. Got some big bad blue sprayed in the engine bay. I'm getting ready to spray some tri-coat over top, and then next would be clear.
That's looking really good. Can't wait to see this out in the sun. One more coat of clear and we're good to go.
Working on the 67 Rebel this week. Got all the lower suspension and cradle assembled. Steering rack's in it. So, walk over here, we got the upper control arm mounts in. Set up for coilover, switching it all over. And then got all the front coilovers assembled. Willwood Pro spindles. Working on those right now. I'm going to start a time lapse of me assembling all the brakes system. So, customers bring in the transmission, flex plate. That way we can stab all this in there.
Today we're going to be working on putting in the rubber seals around the front and back window. I'm going to do the door seals.
So totally fake. That's not how you talk. Oh, that's what you do with a camera in front of you?
Oh my
God, you're so much nicer to me. Put the seals in.
I'm going to getting ready to do the seals and the put that screw in that mirror.
In the glove box lock.
Glove box lock.
Stop. Yep, keep going.
What about back and forth?
Yep.
Red dot.
This here.
Let it ride.
Go back. Push back. Right there. Ready?
Yep.
Firewall.
Stop. Come forward just a smidgen.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Touchdown. She's in there. Another big step done on the Rebel this week. 390s in here. It's fuel injected. It'll get a Holley Terminator X, Holley intake pump, custom made stainless steel headers made in the USA. Next up, wiring harness, start plumbing fuel lines, brake lines, and putting in the rear suspension. So the whole car is going this big bad blue with a black vinyl top, black interior. So only other thing is AC, which would be really nice. So can't wait to see it on the road. Tell us what you think of this blue. Would you go blue? What color would you guys go? So let us know in the comments. It's finally getting nice here in Troy, Ohio. So this Jaguar is headed home today. The customer had kind of an unfortunate small accident. It was on his 4-post lift and the door was open and it rolled back. So it's all fixed up now and looks good. Ready for some spring weather. Got a question for you guys. What's the 2 hardest things on deciding on your old truck or car? Paint color and wheels. This truck's always been blue and it's a family heirloom, went back blue. So that was already decided. But this truck came factory with 16.5 wheels and the tire choices are very limited. So I brought in another choice for her to look at and see if she likes it. So I think it's a winner, but she's coming in later to see if she likes it. So yeah, let us know what you think. What would you put on this truck? There's a lot of different styles. She was trying to decide on going with just a factory white wheel, a little bit wider, and just run factory hubcaps, or go with the aluminum wheel. So now's her time to decide. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Dad finished up on the is finishing up on the dash, and this truck's ready to roll out. Follow along with our builds by subscribing and tell us what you think in the comments. We're posting new shop content weekly. Until next time, keep those classics alive. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye guys.